Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 320D MSPORT Saloon here at your next car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle, and once we're there we'll go through some of the interior features. The vehicle itself is presented in the very nice Estoril blue, and of course we finished the exterior off with the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alloy wheels are the very nice, freshly refurbished 442M 19-inch BMW alloy wheels. We've had them refurbished in the bi-orbit grey and mirror cut finish. So as you can see there, they do differ from the normal bi-orbit grey and diamond cut finish, as the outer faces are a lot more shiny and a lot more vibrant and do set themselves against the Estoril blue very nicely. At the front of the car you'll notice the BMW LED headlamps. The vehicle comes equipped with a wide array of optional extras. A very large one of those optional extras is the M Sport Plus pack. We get much larger fronts and rear brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather all included in that. Down the side of the vehicle you'll notice the satin side vinyls, sidebars and Mperformance decals, and of course that pre-mentioned privacy glass. Heading on inside for a quick view of the interior, we have the very nice exclusive black Dakota leather. We have the oyster stitching and oyster piping. As I've mentioned, it does have that heated seat function along with the electric lumbar adjustment, Harman Kardon, and you will of course see the exclusive stitching just carry on through onto the door cards. Interior trim is the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. Moving on for a glance at the rear seats, where you have an Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest, and owing to the fact that the vehicle is an M Sport, you do get a very nice black headlining as well. Again, I'll try and show you the very nice mirror finish 19-inch alloy wheels before we head on round to the rear of the car, where I'm going to show you the satin rear diffuser, satin rear boot spoiler. Again, another option on this car is the rear facing reversing camera, which I will show you a display of when I climb inside the vehicle. Opening up the boot will reveal the very large boot space. Another option on this vehicle is the split folding seat function, which on this year 3 series is an optional extra and is always a very welcome one, because obviously it does add that little bit of extra boot room should it be required, and I will demonstrate that very shortly. Moving around to the other side, where once again we'll just take in how nice the Estoril blue works with the black of the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And as you can see, a very clean, tidy exterior, much like the clean and tidy interior. 4 brand new tyres do sit very nicely on the 19-inch alloy wheels we've already mentioned. And I'm just going to quickly demonstrate that split folding seat function before we head on inside the driver's seat for a little further look round. Okay. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, straight away we will be able to see we've got the BMW Business Navigation and Media. At the moment we've got the DAB screen up, however we have a wide array of other multimedia inputs including AUX, USB and of course Bluetooth audio. This is the screen where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth telephone and of course Bluetooth audio. Navigation screen. Clicking back to the home screen we can take a look at all of the vehicle information and vehicle service history. Everything is in green, as you can see there. This vehicle has covered just over 58,000 miles. Heading back to the service information, it's not due a service for 18,000 miles and has very recently been to BMW for a service. As you can see now, it was at BMW at 57426, where it had an oil and microfilter change, and it does include full BMW service history as I'm showing you now. Quickly want to show you the rear facing reversing camera, which of course will also include parking sensors, dual climate control, heated seat function there as well. And if we take you just around here a little bit, you'll see a button on the side of the steering column which activates the heated steering wheel. We also have the head-up display on this vehicle, Sure how well that's going to show up on the camera. There you go. So it will not only show speed, it will also show turn-by-turn direction should you have a sat-nav route set, and also show warning signs as well. So now I've opened the door, it's just alerting me that I have got the side lights on, just demonstrating you how nice them LED headlamps on. There you go. It's now displaying that I've got the door open. So in summary, we have an extremely high-spec 320D M Sport Saloon. As always, I do hope you find this walk-around video useful. Down below in the description there will be a link to our website where of course you can find further information regarding pricing and finance options for this vehicle and all of our other wonderful cars we currently have in stock. Thank you very much for watching. We do hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you, do take care, goodbye.